Ever wanted Excel to automatically stamp the exact date and time when you enter data? Stop typing timestamps manually, there's a smarter way to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to generate automatic timestamps in Excel, no VBA needed. Perfect for tracking entries, logs, or updates. Okay, let's dive in. Timestamps are powerful. Knowing when something was entered keeps your data clean, clear, and reliable. We'll use a simple formula with Excel's if and now functions. And a cool trick called circular referencing. No macros, no coding, just smart Excel logic. Let's say you have a checklist like this in Excel. When someone updates this status column, like typing done, Excel should autofill the current date and time in column C. Start by clicking the File tab. Then select Options. In the Excel Options window, click on Formulas from the left-hand menu. Now, under the Calculation Options section, check the box labeled Enable Iterative Calculation. This setting is essential. It allows Excel to process the self-referencing formula we'll use to generate automatic timestamps. Now, click on cell C2, this will be our first timestamp cell, and enter the following formula. Let's break it down. B2 checks if the status column has any entry. If C2 ensures the timestamp cell is still blank, so we don't overwrite it. If both are true, now function inserts the current date and time. Otherwise, it leaves the original timestamp unchanged. This means, as soon as you type something in column B, Excel will automatically insert the exact time in column C. And it won't change later, even if you edit the status. Now press Enter. To test it, type Done or In Progress next to Task 1. Timestamp appears instantly. You'll see something like this. Don't worry. That's just how Excel stores date and time behind the scenes. It's called a serial number format, where the whole number represents the date, and the decimal represents the time. Let's make it look human-friendly. First, select the timestamp cell C2. Press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. Go to the Number tab. Click Custom. In the Type field, enter this format. Now click OK. And boom! Cell C2 shows the current date and time, neat and professional. Finally, drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of your task list. If you change the status again, the timestamp won't change. It locks the time of the first entry. A few things to keep in mind. Timestamps won't update retroactively. That's a good thing. If you clear the status cell, the timestamp disappears too. And that's how to create automatic timestamps in Excel. Simple, accurate, and efficient. If this saved you time, give it a like, share it with your team, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more Excel tips every week. Got a question or want to automate something else? Drop it in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.